So, hello everyone. We have seen Google Forms. So, we couldn't do some part. I thought I'll give you via a video. So, let's begin. So, here already we had seen how and where your file goes in Google Drive. So, from Google Drive, you can go to your previously done form. I'll just show you with a quiz type form. So first let us type in the address bar docs.google.com. Okay, so again, just a revision. Go to forms here, create a blank form. So now we'll see the settings, how to create a quiz form, and we'll see some advanced features also. So here we go. I just create a new form. We'll try to touch upon all the points in one single form. So I'll say practice quiz in Google Classroom. We are doing through Google Classroom, right? So practice quiz for SIS staff. Okay. I am keeping this validating on. I go to my settings. I just revised general tab. You have presentation, quizzes. So first, let us see general settings, collect email address, response. Let us give one reply response. Since it is a exam type or a quiz type, limit to one response. No edit after submit. See summary chart that we won't give it. Presentations, let us give a presentation. Your response, your quiz has been submitted successfully. We'll write this we'll keep it, and you will receive the score shortly. Okay, receive the score shortly. Fine, save it, and again go to your settings, click on quiz, make this quiz. Later after manual review, because I'm going to show paragraph type and missed questions, correct questions, everything, point values, this will we will keep it. Fine, save it. Okay, fine. So first, let us take the basic details. Name, short answer, fine, required field. This is okay. This will not have any marks, so answer key will be 0. Add another section. So name, staff, department name. Thinking that we all are giving on Google Classroom department. Okay. Now in this department, you can give a drop down of all the departments, or you can just allow the person to enter by themselves. Time being, I'm giving enter by themselves. Department name, email ID I've already contacted, collecting it on response itself. So mobile number. So here we would give a number. Okay, so we will keep the message enter valid mobile number. Okay, so you can have some description also. You can do that or leave it. Fine. This is what I'm collecting from staff members. Now I add a section for creating a quiz. So quiz on Google Classroom. Okay. So you can put all questions. You can put remarks. Attempt all questions. Questions. Fine. This is my section title. Now I add questions inside it. Click on add. So, question number one. Where do the files created in your login goes, or you can say are saved? option I can give options. Google. So we go on to the section under section.